intersection here for a good 15 minutes, and then we have breakfast and get gas and be on our merry way. But it's gonna be okay. Look at this road though, it's glorious. You did. I ate a bag of jerky, so I was okay. That's because you're so fat. That's why you're so fat. Right? I don't think he knows about second east. So that turn off is probably in about like 3 kilometers. You know what I'm talking about, right? But I'll kind of call it out. Yep. I'd say it's probably in like 20 turns from now. Oh, there. You blow past it and I yell at you? You want? Yeah. Go ahead. I said go ahead. Wait, what? Alright, so I'm gonna pull up in front of you. No, I'm just gonna, yeah, but you're making sense. Let's just have fun on these turns and discuss later. Yeah. What is it, red or green? Nice. Alright, so I'll go first here, and then I'll pull off at an appropriate place. Beautiful. All right. Hello. Didn't say hello, but it's okay. Boy. Fucking sharp turn. Cement truck, yeah. And earlier one of these turns had some gravel in it. It was a little sketch. And there's a truck ahead of us, so perfect timing. No, we're almost there. We're literally like 5 turns away. Come on. I do hope by the end of the trip you guys grow up a little bit, mature maybe. Just think about your life, you know? That truck is kind of moving too. It's not a slouch. Here we go. Is this the turn? Is this the pull off? Is that pull off? I'm trying to think which would be the best turn here. That was a good one, right? Yeah, true, because I would have had to backtrack. Alright, let's see this spot. Nobody behind us, right? We're good. Yeah. Looks like a campsite. Now we know. pop last time. Made me go pop, like out of the thingy, you know? Yeah, this is the Jesus. So let's see it pull off. Oh damn, that's like a private thing. Yeah, I thought we passed it, you know? Was that one? Back there, right? The first one back there. Right. Is this it right here, maybe? Vista Point coming up. Yeah. Right. Exactly. I'm trying to see what's on the other side. There. Yeah, that's the hard part. I knew that was gonna happen. I should have been spotting spots on the way up instead of just loving the road. Yeah. No, cause look. Okay. Right. No, I'm just like it's yeah. Which the very first one we saw on the right. See, because at this point we're about to head back. Oh, you think you haven't seen the one you're talking about yet? I was gonna say we're like almost, yeah. Right. Yep. You're right. No, but I think it would be better. Yeah. Like right over here to the right. Yep. This is the stop. This is perfect. Oh, look at this for pictures too. This is perfect. And after this, we're gonna go get B-Fest.
You wanna go way in?
Yeah, let's go explore what's down that way. Because over here would be fine. Because actually over here would be fine, but I do want to see what's down there. It's like a cool little beach down there. Wow. Sure. Oh fuck. Some fucking splashing pothole muddy spots as I was going at speed. Imagine riding out there, probably impossible. No, because down here I wouldn't be able to see the road unless I go way up. Yeah. Oh, this is fucking epic. Dude, this is incredible. Am I still recording? Thank God. Wow. Yeah, but I wasn't saying much. This is fucking stupid.
I do want to get a picture of the bike here.
Alright. Wow. This is crazy. No, because it... Here, I'll do a video of you. I'll do it too. Hold on, hold on. I'll do slow motion. Hold on. Alright. Yep, go. Let's see it. Yeah, it's cool as fuck. It's actually really dope.